So with gaming, it's an industry that for years now has been bigger than the Hollywood film industry, for example. And so what you see there is that tremendous user base really demanding the most cutting edge capabilities out of the technology side, for example. So that leading edge drive from the technology side has given designers of games and applications really strong set of tools to build upon, not only for games, but for really rich and immersive experiences. Of course, examples like Kinect from Microsoft are really bringing, kind of fast forwarding us into the future that we really thought was going to be potentially years away. We sort of could see that was coming on the interest of the gaming side as a meaningful place to start. And if you look at kind of the classic example of what some of the Minority Report type applications, those are actually productivity applications that they demonstrated in kind of the sci-fi world. And so it actually makes a lot of sense that in the real world that it would be gaming that would be the first place to actually meaningfully have a widespread use of some of these brand new interaction techniques. Yeah, so gaming has really embraced the idea of mastery as a component of the interactions with that system. And what that means is that there's enough of a slope on the learning curve that really makes you want to engage more with that product to take you to the next level. So we've seen some examples that people are really familiar with, things like LinkedIn or Mint.com, that really kind of reinforce that idea of mastery or completedness in that product. Another example is an application like Google SketchUp. That product has a lot of engaging and rich features that on some levels can connect in many ways that a game can. And it's really lowered that learning curve to such a level that hobbyists who never before thought possible that it might be actually worthwhile to use 3D technology now actually can. What's happening in some of the Nike Plus ecosystem technology right now, where if you post onto Facebook that you're about to start a run, users and your friends who can actually comment or like that Facebook post, you'll actually hear kind of being cheered on by your friends while you're out on your run, live, real time through your smartphone. And we see some of the vehicle instrumentation systems on both Prius, on different Ford products that really encourage the user to change their driving behavior, change it for the better. So various information visualization techniques, feedback, dashboard technologies that we kind of take for granted in gaming have also found their way into the automotive space as well.